Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on Android. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Now, since the game isn't available in the Play Store, there is something we should do first. You want to open up the settings and then you're going to have to scroll all the way down until you see the option that says App Management and press on it. Then tap onto App List and it's going to open up a list of the apps that you have installed in your mobile device. So go ahead and look for Chrome since it's the browser we're going to use to download and install Fortnite. So press on it and then scroll down and press on to Install Unknown Apps. We're going to make sure to flip this switch on so we can allow apps to be installed from Chrome. Now you can go back to the home page and then open up the Chrome app. And once you do, you can press onto the search box and navigate for Epic Games and press enter. Once the results appear, you can tap onto the first result, which is going to take you to the Epic Games website. Now from here, tap onto the Epic Games logo in the top left hand corner of the page and then press onto Fortnite from the list that appears in the drop down menu. Then press onto the Play Now button and then from here you can go ahead and press onto the yellow Download Now button. Once you do, the game is gonna start downloading. Tap onto Download Anyway that appears in the pop-up window and here you have this message telling you that the Epic Games Store is done downloading. So go ahead and tap onto Open and then press onto the install that appears right here. Wait for a few seconds for it to be installed and then you can click onto the Open button right here. It's going to open up the Epic Games Store app, so all you have to do from here is look for Fortnite. As you can see, it's up here, so I'm going to tap on it and then finally I can go ahead and press onto the blue install button and wait for it to be installed. And once it's finished, you can press onto the launch button and start enjoying your time playing Fortnite on your mobile device. So that's it, that is how to download Fortnite on Android. I hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.